Naked lovers feel the blood beneath their veins. Electric nerves communicate with tiny explosions through our brains. Who is this energy that never left or came? Give rise to passion, the only glory of this human story. I give my heart and soul to the we spend all of our lives going out of our minds, looking back to our birth.